Hey guys, Kuzo here, back with another video on this cool little second channel. We are getting on some sketching in the 600-page sketchbook, and we're going to be drawing, like, you know, anime character, an anime boy, chillaxing here. It's going to be an anime boy samurai. It's going to be a boy, samurai, anime style. Maybe let's add some stuff around here. So basically we are on page 222 currently. So that's cool. Should I be having him? Yeah, maybe I'll have him be doing this and it going down and him holding the sword going like this. Maybe he can have actually another sword over here as well. Yeah, let's do that. Let's have some fun with it. This is gonna be rough. It's just gonna, you know, for fun. Maybe I could put even Inktober in it because I'm gonna be technically inking it. It's gonna be with a marker, but it's still ink, right? But yeah. Yeah, so today currently is still the 7th. I did stream twice today. I also made 2 videos before this for the trip, so you guys have videos while I'm gone. I'm going to be uploading those throughout the week. And now this is the 3rd video I'm going to make, and I'm aiming to do a 4th video. I know, isn't that crazy? I might or might not do a 4th video, we'll see. But I wanted to make sure this is probably going to be the most normal content that you've got in a while. This is kind of the pace I've been wanting to actually work at and get content out for you guys in general. So hopefully once we get back, we're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it good. Man, we're so weird up in here. But yeah, we're gonna hit it good. We're gonna hit it good. We're gonna have fun. Do some manga content. I'm trying to figure out a system of. I'm really looking at what I want to do between these 2 channels. You know, this channel, my other channel. By the way, this is just a super standard pose. I'm just having fun with the design. You know, stuff like that. Maybe put like maybe kind of like a Gara gourd on the back here. You know, something like that. Not exactly like Gara, but you know, more Asian themed gourd on the back. Yeah, why not? But yeah, I've been trying to find out the science between the two channels, because I feel like on this channel I could technically post real-time videos and you guys would totally be okay with that. I mean, you guys already like the streams, and I've been wanting to post more real-time content. It just doesn't do so good on just doesn't do so good on the 2nd channel as much. I've been thinking about going towards a more time-lapse content on the 1st channel, main channel, and having some of it be subject-based. I'll still do some real-time here and there. Obviously, I would do that, but I would make it more centralized around a time-lapsed content specifically on that channel, and have like a buttload of real-time, like vlogish type stuff on this channel. I don't know, we'll see. I've just been wanting to express my art without being too worried about channel, like being hurt through my channel, and I think doing a lot of that expression maybe on this channel will kind of feed that desire I'm having. Oh, I should do a smaller pen. Let's go with, I guess let's go with the purple. Oh, that's the big purple. I want smaller purple. We got the smaller purple here. But yeah, that's what's been on my mind recently. Thought I would get that off, kind of give you guys an idea of what I've been thinking of. Like, for example, if I decided to do a real-time manga page, maybe I would do it on here, but then put the time-lapsed with the commentary on the main channel. You see what I mean there? But then I would sometimes do real-time content on the main channel. I'd decide which ones I wanted to be real-time on that main channel. So we'll see. I want to experiment and see what works well, because I know there's a place for real-time content, and I think being able to do a lot of the real-time content without worrying about channel too much would be kind of good on this channel. And like, for example, something like this, I could take and potentially take and put it into a time-lapsed form for a subject-based video. And I believe that some of you would still be, I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe some of you would still be interested in the sped up video of this with the subject-based content, regardless of the fact if you've already watched this, because you're getting something else out of it. Plus, watching something sped up, sometimes you get something different out of watching it sped up than watching it. Oh, sorry, there's an alarm going off out in my living room. But sometimes you get something different between watching something sped up and watching something real time. Sometimes you'll gain different aspects of the person's work when it's sped up. You get a condensed version of it almost, and sometimes it's actually useful that way, as long as it's not too sped up. I don't know, just some thoughts popping into my head. How much time has been? It's been 7 minutes. Do you guys remember me doing, like the OGs here, do you remember me doing something similar to this when I first started this channel specifically, and how much longer it took me to do these illustrations? And they, by the way, they looked way worse back then. Okay, so I guess I'm getting noises everywhere. Hopefully that sound is not copyrighted. I wouldn't believe it would be, because it's like a generic ringtone. I would hope not. I could probably cut that out. So if you hear me talking about this, when it was cut out, it was a ringtone. I'll cut that out. Some people here might be completely confused. They'd be like, what? But yeah, I cut out a ringtone that happened just in case it was copyrighted. I doubt it is. Just don't want to take a chance, because I think this video is going to be fun for people to watch. Also, you're probably going to be getting this after the time that I put up the how to draw hoodies video. Hopefully you guys like that. I cannot push this down any further because the top of my book is hitting my wow, tripod. I am tired, by the way, guys. I have to be up in less than 8 hours. I'm not gonna, okay, can you guys see what I'm doing? You guys can't. Okay, so I'm gonna come back up here and work on this stuff instead. Let's do small little gourds here. But yeah, I think we're doing better than we used to do when we did this stuff. In my opinion, I think we're doing pretty good here. Let's get this, oh, my computer screen turned off. Hopefully that looks decent. All right. Keep on going. And finger. Boom. Shaboom, shakalaka, boom. There we go. And another finger. And sword. Super generic. It's all right. We're just having fun here. Maybe put a little tuff on the side, on the back part, like or some like ropage stuff. Why not? Why not? Coolio. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, let's put some like blood on it. Yeah, why not? Why not? By the way, the drawing I've been doing recently with my making sure every few pages I brush up on my perspective, it's been helping me leaps and bounds compared to the first part of this book. My goodness, I'm just Saiyan, like a Super Saiyan. It's been helping me a lot, and since it's been helping me a lot, I'm going to keep that system that I've been doing because I think it's really been helping. Just, my gosh. So, yeah, I'm going to continue doing that, and hopefully I see even more progress as I continue. Definitely will keep you up to date with that as we go along. Of course, the next few videos you're going to get are going to be already pre-recorded, so this is going to be one of my last videos before you see any new ones, sadly. There we go. Some seal marks, you know how it rolls, because we do that stuff. Bam, 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 boom, boom. Oh wow, I accidentally went in when I should have. I weaved instead of bobbed at the wrong time, yo. All right, that was bad design. That second one there, I wanted it to go at a different angle. Oopsies. Well, there's no Control Z here. Bad design. Oh well. Not an oh well, but an oh well. Oh well. Well, it has been 12 minutes. Wow. We did that a lot faster than I thought we were going to be completely frank. Okay, then. I'll go ahead and do a shade. Man, there's a lot of noise going on in that living room. Yep, there's noise going on in that living room. And I think I might do, if you don't see this, don't quote me, but I might do a Jujutsu Kaisen fan art for the main channel, like a quick ink one, kind of like this, more so headshot-ish, for just like filler content on the main channel, see how people like it. I haven't done anything Jujutsu Kaisen related because I hadn't watched it until recently, so that would be fun if I do actually decide to do it. It's going to be about 12-13 minutes, kind of like this one, quick ink. We'll see. I also have a Deku one coming up. So you guys aren't going to see that until almost the end of next week. So that one's kind of a surprise. It's a quick Deku one. I would show you, but then I'm just spoiling it. So already did that. That's going to be one of the videos. So hopefully you guys like that. Might as well throw in, 2 fan arts. When I'm feeling it. I'm doing this stuff really fast, and I like doing quick designs that don't have to think too hard on when it comes to those types of things. Fan arts are pretty straightforward. But yeah, I think that covers it for this one. Kind of like this illustration. Looks kind of nice. Probably post a picture of it or something at some point. But in any case, hopefully you guys are having a good day or night wherever you are. Also, if you guys want to help support what I do on any of my channels and just me in general, or want to have some tutorials I've posted in the past 3 years, check me on my Patreon. Big thanks to all my Patreons, and my special thanks to my tuning and joining tier Patreons. In any case, hopefully you guys are having a good one. If you're new to this channel, like you see, hit the bell icon, and if you're new, subscribe and hit the thumbs up. This is a bad outro. Tired. Any case, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.